Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Blaze, and today I will be showing you how to make a thumbnail for your, and for YouTube, okay? Let's get into the video. Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Blaze, and I'm I vlog about anything, okay? And today I will be showing you how to make a thumbnail for your vlogs and stuff on YouTube. Okay, so there's this app you can download, or I'll show you the set. But the app that I would recommend is this app. We'll just search it up. What's it called? Oh, yeah. Search up thumbnail maker. Okay. Now I would probably suggest this one or this one. And so the two right here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And then you can just create it and put photos in it, okay? Or that's one choice, but it's also and other way is you can go into your browser and you can search up thumbnails. Say your vlog, this thing's slow. Okay, so I say your vlog is about dogs, okay? So I would search up dogs, okay? And whatever your vlog is about, search up, okay? Okay, so then I'm gonna go to images, and there will be dogs here, okay? But if you want some words on it, then you could also search up dogs thumbnail. Oop, messed it up. Okay. Okay. See, there's a thumbnail there. See, look. Yeah. And I'll just do one more. And so I say you're doing a video about a Google Home. I can search up Google Home. Okay. And we'd show all these, okay? So I could pick this one, which would probably be a really good one to use. Okay, and then what you would do is, if I want this one, then I would I'll press on it and hold it, or if you're on a desktop, like a PC, a computer, you would just right click and press download. Okay. So what I'll do is I would hold this. See, look. So I can download the image, and then it would save to my photos. Okay. And then after that, if you're on a mobile device doing this, you could obviously just it's probably the best and easy way to put it on your video as your thumbnail and want to get more clicks and views, is download the YouTube Studio app, because it's actually fast and quickly, okay? Because I'll show you why. Okay, so say like I'm doing okay, so I would go into my videos, then like you see like this, and obviously a few I made, but yeah. So say like with this one, I would press on the video one, and then you see the pencil up there. I would press pencil. I would press the pencil, and then and here's the fun part. Okay, press edit thumbnail. Okay, then I press custom thumbnail, and then you would see the one that you downloaded, but you have to go into your images, download, on my device it's probably different, but oh, now to probably go into recent images and download. Yeah, so like what would be like in your photos, or would be in your like your gallery, okay? Well, like your storage or your gallery, okay? So yeah, and then you would click it, and then you would like yeah, and then it would put that thumbnail on it, and then you would press save, and then it would successfully put it on there, okay? Yeah, and that's how you make a thumbnail, okay? And just the easy way, okay? Faster too, okay? And that's all for today. Enjoy the video, and if you did, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.